The common problems of the manufacturing industry in Indonesia are the low accuracy of market demand prediction. It affects uncertainty in production planning, decreases production efficiency and profitability, creates a gap in logistics and marketing sales, global disruption related to the issue of Industrial Revolution 4.0 and Society 5.0, and other challenges in the future. The ITS Manufacturing, Transportation and Logistic Research Center, or MTL Research Center, contributes to finding the best solutions in facing these problems. In line with ITS' commitment to advancing humanity, the MTL Research Center provides the maximum benefit to all stakeholders, with efforts to develop manufacturing, transportation, and logistics by the characteristic and requisite of the nation.
The Center of Manufacturing, Transportation and Logistics, or in short Pusat MTL, was founded in 2020 based on the aspiration to bring the advancement in manufacturing, transportation and logistics both from the application and direct industrial practice by considering sustainability.
The MTL Research Center has several responsibilities. First, we undertake research related to development in manufacturing, transportation, and logistics and support the dissemination in global publications. Second, we build partnership with global universities, governments, institutions, state-owned enterprise, and etc. Third, we combine the ITS academic community skills to encourage the MTL Research Center's participation in manufacturing, transportation, and logistic development. Our researchers consist of magister, PhD, and professors from ITS cross departments. We cover two main science fields. The first field is Smart and Green Manufacturing System that cover the areas of green manufacturing processes and technologies, intelligent process and product design, intelligent maintenance, human factors and hazard surveillance in the manufacturing industry, and maritime manufacturing processes and systems. The second field is Transportation and Logistic Engineering, which covers some areas. Here are our contributions. Collaborative research, research product and prototype, and last, we also provide consulting works. This is our current partner.
Let's collaborate with us to make our lives better.